I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations. Your dedication and commitment have earned you a place in our fraternity, and we are thrilled to have you join us. As you begin this journey, remember that there are 4 pillars of the Fraternal Order of Eagles: the brotherhood, service, unity, and divine power. And also, our guiding principles: service to strong brotherhood. Mga kuya, mga ate, mga bunso, friends of Eagles, welcome to the induction ceremony of Prosperidad Naliagan Eagles Club and Prosperidad Naliagan Leading Eagles Club, 3rd Outgroup. Mabuhay ang Agila!
In your heart and mind, continue. Spread the wings of an eagle. Sa ingana nga pamaagi, let it be matured in the generation to generation next. Kay mas grabe pa ang mga mahimo ng mga challenges sa atong journey to become immature eagles together with the family and our community.
Karon nga gabi una ug adlaw hapit na mi mahimong full page eagle sa Prosperidad Naliagan Eagles Club. Daghang kayong salamat sa mga share nga nagtabang pod og moral support sa amo ang gibuhat aron kami madasig sa among pagpadayon na mahimo og full page eagle. Daghang salamat.
In community service will not only enrich our personal lives, but we are doing this act of kindness because we know that by doing this, we also inspire others, and we hope that katong natabangan nato, kung kinsa tong na-touch nato ang kinabuhi, they will also pay it forward by also doing kindness to others.
Grows significantly
in huge numbers, not only in this country, but also around the world, especially in Southeast Asia, Europe, and in the United States of America. Your success exemplifies your guiding principle, which is service through strong brotherhood.